My name is Michaela Goodrum, and today I'll be presenting the Business Model Canvas for Lapetus Solutions. The Business Model Canvas is a way to explain the rationale behind how the organization creates, delivers, and captures value. The business model is made out of 9 segments, each answering a unique question. Lapetus Solutions was created in April of 2015. The founders are Carl Rickenick and Jay Olshansky, and they are based out of Wilmington, North Carolina. They received $1.2 million during their first round in 2015, and then $3.5 million in 2017 during their seed round. Their focus is using life sciences and sensory analytics, and their name is based on the Greek god of mortality. Now for their BMC. The value proposition, according to Crunchbase, is that they develop tools and platforms that enable industries relying on life events prediction to reduce and replace their dependence on traditional assessment methods with faster, more cost-effective, and accurate results. To do this, they've created 17 tools that can be split into 2 divisions. One, sensory analytics, where they leverage wearables, facial recognition and modeling, as well as activity models, and the other division being life event sciences, and this is where life expectancy is evaluated, and also they can provide advice on healthy living. They also provide multiple platforms, but their main 2 are Janus and Cronus. All these systems use AWS cloud services since they have great coverage globally. Janus deals with taking selfies and accurately guessing BMI, age, and gender, and this allows for faster ways of millennials and people to interact with insurance companies. Cronus extends upon Janus and helps to provide insurance underwriting. It takes in gender, BMI, smoking, and photo quality tools, as well as wearable data to produce life expectancy scores. These scores are then used to set a quote for insurance that the people taking the picture can purchase. This is a great platform for those who are low socioeconomic populations because it's now cheaper to get your life insurance assessed. They also have 2 other platforms called Healthy and Bliss, which focus on life events and health advice based on life expectancy scores. Now for the front end. For the customer segment, there are plenty of potential customers. First, there are life insurance companies and the users who want to get a life insurance quote. I say life insurance companies because these are the people who will be providing the revenue stream for this company. Also, other companies who want to use their tools, like cosmetic companies and government agencies, would also be part of this customer segment. The channels they use to reach potential customers are word of mouth through other companies and articles written about them. Also through the life insurance companies themselves. Another way they do it is through lead generations, which target specific customer segments to increase sales funnel volume. Another part is customer relationship. They use their platforms as an all-in-one engagement center for customers, agents, and carriers. This allows for self-help as well as being able to access a help center on the insurance side. Now for the money. Revenue streams, they build platforms and tools as an API. The companies can purchase any number of tools or platforms, and then there's an associated base fee for that. With that base fee, the company is allowed to use the API X amount of times, and then after that, they'll be charged a rate that is calculated based on the tools or platform. Now for the back end. The key partnerships also include life insurance companies and any other group that wants to use their product, because this is how they decide and build what's their roadmap going to be. Also, researchers are in the sensory analytics field, as well as local national governments and credibility and verification agencies who need to assess how credible their system actually is. The key activities include software development, sales, marketing, research in sensory and facial recognition. The key resources include algorithms that they create, previous data such as pictures in their connected ages and information to build that algorithm off of: developers, sales and customers reps, partnerships, and mainly because without partnerships there wouldn't be any revenue, and there also wouldn't be any consumers to actually be taking these selfies and pictures. For the cost structure, the employees have a cost associated with them. The AWS system, other software costs are minimal because most things are homegrown at this company. Also, a legal team and patents, and then equipment like servers. Overall, I think that their value proposition is great, and because life insurance and insurance in general is so huge, they can have a great revenue stream. Also, because they're expanding past America, they're also on their 4th country currently. They have a great growth potential, and even with the insurance world being highly regulated, they still have potential of growth in assessing. That is all. Thank you for your time.